Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Vemsati. Today we'll see one of the DBT interview question that is, so assume like in the current project there are 200 DBT models are there. I want to execute 50 models at a time. So assume like what all the models are independent and they're in different folders with the different names. Okay, so one more time. So these 50 models are available in different folders, assume like bronze layer, silver layer, gold layer. But I want to execute all the 50 models at a time. So see, with a single command, I want to execute all the 50 models at a time. Or I'll tell you one more time. So see now these 50 models I want to run hourly or daily at a particular period of time. Okay, so how to execute, we'll try to discuss in detail. One second, let me log into detail cloud. See, I have logged into DBT Cloud. So this is one model. Okay, see, this is stage orders. It is in bronze layer. So this is customer orders in root folder. So this is in silver layer. Okay, so this is in root folder. Okay, this is in, okay, see, bronze layer. So what I want to convey is that what? So these are separate models are there. These are available in different models, different folders, bronze folder. See, bronze layer, so gold layer, silver layer. But requirement is that what so generally what happened? I need to run dbt run hyphen m and I want to pass m1, m2, m3, m4, m5. So see there are multiple models are there. I cannot able to write like this. So this is difficult. So for this purpose, there is a concept of what? Tags concept is there. So DBT tags. So see, I'll try to explain. So generally what happened? What is the solution? We want to give the so see dbt run hyphen m model name. So we want to give the stage orders. Okay, so we want to give intermediate orders. So like this, we want to give the names. Instead of giving what happened, no, I'll go to them. So config block, I'll try to write tags. Okay, now I'll try to put daily. So daily tags for the pointer. So this is the way you can able to get it done. One more time. See, I'll try to give this the syntax. Okay, so tags daily. Okay, so this is the same thing. Now try to take this, go to the other model. Okay, now I'll try to put so tags. Okay, so put so array inside array we should mention daily. Okay, so save it. Go to other model. Okay, so try to write the config block we have written. Go to the customer ads. Okay, underscore config. So now try to write tags. Okay, so let me put here. Okay, so daily. Okay, so daily. So this thing, so generally what happened in the flow, we'll try to use this tags to schedule. Okay, like this. Okay. So this is so far good. Now we have given tags for so Praveen DBT trainer data transformation, stage or customer orders. Okay. Now I'll try to go for one more thing. Let me try to go the tags. Okay, so I'll put it daily, comma, hourly. Okay. So see, hourly. Okay. Now let me save it. Always make sure that you are saving the same. Okay. Now let me go here, use config block. So use tags. Okay. Let me put array. So daily, comma, hourly. Okay. Save it. Now how to run? So generally deep. Okay. So we should run. So dbt. So we should click here in the command. So dbt run hyphen n. So mention tag. What tag I want to mention? I want to execute daily. Okay. So save it. Okay, save it. Now try to run. So how many should be executed? This one, one, two, so three, four, five. Okay. So see the same thing. So make it expand. So if I scroll down, see there are five. Five are executed successfully. Okay. So got the pointer. So if you see, so five models. So stage orders is the weekend. Same thing. Now let me try to go for okay hourly. Okay. For hourly, how many are there? So one, two. Okay, two should be executed. Okay. So see if I scroll down, so 2 should be executed. Got the pointer. So see the requirement. So see, I want to execute 50 model. We cannot able to give all the names hard coding. For this purpose, what we'll go for tags and we'll try to execute a tag like this. So you can able. Okay, obviously. So this is the concept. Okay, if I want to execute, we should go for tags. So this is the syntax. Tags, daily, hourly, like finance. If I want to execute finance module, okay, or any department module, we can able to go for this tags concept. Okay. If you like the content, subscribe and share this, and thank you for watching.